How to fix corrupted data on PS5. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is delete corrupted game files and then reinstall. So what we're going to do is go over to our settings, which is going to be at the very top, and then locate storage. Once we're in storage, go over to console storage and then find games and apps. Now locate the affected title. So we're going to go ahead and locate it. Let's say in my instance, it's Stellar Blade. All I want to do is select it and then go ahead and delete. Now, once I also go here, once I'm done with that, all I got to do is go back, go to settings again, and then go over to the save data and game/app settings. Now from here, go to save data PS5, and then go over and click on update or delete from console storage, like so. Now over here, all I want to do is check if there is a corrupted data file list under the game save folder and delete the only corrupted file segment, and then re-download or reinstall the game from your disk or from your library. And then that's literally it. You'll be good to go.